For you to be able to run ads on Facebook, you are going to need a Facebook business page. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create one and how to optimize your Facebook business page for more results. And welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter Eya, and on this channel I share practical marketing and sales tips that will help you make more sales and retain customers. I also share with you business resources that will help you grow your business. If this sounds like something good to you, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, because every Friday I drop new videos. Let's get into the video. The first thing you want to do is to log into your Facebook account. Log into your Facebook account. So there are two ways you can create a new Facebook page. Select here, then come to page, create a new page, or you can come to your profile and go to pages. Under pages, you see create a new page. So I'll quickly click on create a new page. Quickly, I'm going to think of a brand that we can use as a case study. So let's look at Eos luxury fits. So Eos luxury fit is a shoe brand, a brand that makes luxury shoes for men. So category, let's say fashion. This is where you choose the category of your page: fashion model, fashion designer, let's say clothing store. Keep your business. Now, description of your page. This is where you get to describe what your business is about, so that Facebook can easily understand your page and show it to people once they search for your kind of business. So this is where you get to put in certain terms about your business, certain keywords about your business. So I'll just say Eos luxury fit is a shoe brand that caters to men who want to look good with shoes that provide comfort with class. Okay, this is something you should note. My brand is a shoe brand, so the word shoe is in this description. Now, men, shoes for men. People say shoes for men. Facebook will rank my page. So these are the things you need to take note of. So we are going to create a page. Just click on create page, and the page is created. So quickly, we are going to upload a profile picture and a cover picture. So I'm going to select a picture. Wow, I have a shoe picture here. Remember, this is for demonstration purposes. Please, about your business, get your logo, or if you run a personal brand, make sure you have a good profile picture. Then make sure you design your cover photo together with the dimensions with what Facebook recommends, so you can quickly Google that. Next thing you want to do is to save this photo. So edit page info. So we have a name. You might quickly want to set up your username, but if your page is brand new, Facebook does not allow you to set up your username until you have at least 5 to 10 likes. But sometimes it works for brand new pages, so you want to try it out. The next thing you want to do is to come to contact. This is where you put your phone number. So I'll quickly type in my phone number, 2730 7292. If you have an email, quickly put in your email. For now, I'll skip that. If you have a website, you can insert your website link here. You can also choose to type in your location. If you have a physical store, type in your address, your city, and your zip code. If you don't have a physical location, just come and select here. You don't have a physical location. Now, service area. This is where you include the neighborhood, city, or region where your business exists. So let's say I'm in Lagos. I can decide to put Lekki. If I have a store in Lekki, if I have a store in Aja, I can put a store in Aja. I can put my location as Aja. The next thing is as. If you are running an online business, you want to be always open. So you set it as always open. If you have an office you can come here, open selected as. Let's say from Monday you open at 7 a.m. and close by 4 p.m. So you just come here, select 4 p.m. Now you do so for other days: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But if you are running an online business, please leave it at always open. So that's it. All these other ones are not really important. So we'll come here and go to settings. The first thing you want to do is to come to this place called visitors post. At the first setting, the page will be set to anybody can post. Now that means anybody visiting your page can post. So you want to come here and disable this. Just select here and save changes. Okay, so the next thing is news feed, audience, and visibility for posts. Don't worry about that. Auto generated video, all these things are not important. The next thing you want to go to is content moderation. When you start running ads, there are a lot of people who will come under your ads to comment some funny stuff like thief, scam, post WhatsApp links, and all those things. So you want to block those kind of people from dropping such comments. So you come here under content moderation, come here and click on edit. So let's say we'll add something like scam. For online network marketing, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, forex. It all depends on the kind of business you run, but I have a list of words you can add so that people don't comment all sorts of things that are not proper for your business. So what you want to do is to send me a message on WhatsApp, and I'm going to send you this list of words that you can add to your page. So after you've added them, just come here and click on save. Newsfeed, audience, and visibility for posts. Don't worry about this. Auto-generated video captions and subtitles. Don't worry about this. Post and story sharing is turned on already. Messages, don't worry about that. Tagging ability, only people who help manage my page can tag photos posted on it. Yes, that's good. Leave it at that. Can other people tag your page? Let it be turned on. Yes, other people can tag your page. Country restrictions. Now this page is visible to everybody anywhere in the world. But if you want it to be visible to only those in Nigeria or only those in US, you can edit it here and include the countries you want. Let's say let me quickly edit it. As you can see, add this page from viewers in this country, so I can choose to enter in Nigeria. So I don't want those from Nigeria to see my page. I'll click here and then save changes. I'm not going to do that because this is just for demonstration purposes. The next section is age restrictions. Now, if your page is not proper for people below 18, this is where you can set it up and just choose a certain range of age for people to see. So the next thing you want to check is now profanity filter. Don't worry about that. Similar page suggestions, don't worry about that. I think that is all. Those are the things that are really important for you to set up under general settings. The next thing you want to do is to go to page rows. Now, if you are giving out your page to a social media manager, or you hire a marketing and sales agency to run your page for you, you might not want to give them your personal login details, your Facebook login details. So this is where you add people to the page. So you come here and type the person's name. Let's say Peter Ayo. As you can see, there are a lot of Peter Ayos. So you want to make sure you are very careful of the ones you select. So in this case, I'll just select Peter Ayo and then add them. Now when you add them, they're going to send an invitation to them, and when they accept the invitation, they are added to your page as a community manager. So that's it. As you can see here, existing page roles admin Peter Ayo. Facebook is going to send them a request to manage your page, and when they accept, they're automatically going to have access to your page. So the next thing you want to do is go to Instagram. So when you start running ads, especially through your business manager account, through your Facebook ads manager, there will be options where you can run your ads separately on Instagram. So this is where you can connect your Instagram account. So come here, click on connect accounts, click on continue, and your Google Chrome will load, or any browser you are using, and you'll be asked to authenticate your Instagram account. For now, I'm not going to do that, so please just come here, connect your Instagram account. The next place you want to go to is your WhatsApp. So this is where you get to connect your WhatsApp. I always advise you connect your WhatsApp business account. When you start running ads via the Facebook Ads Manager, you can run ads directly to your WhatsApp. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like this video. Like it so that YouTube will show it to more people, and please also subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. The reason why you need a business account is because a lot of options are available that can make life easy for you. So please make sure you have a WhatsApp business account, and please watch this video displayed on my screen. Watch this video to know how to make more sales and utilize WhatsApp business fully. Don't worry, I'll leave the link to the video in the description of this video. So what you want to do is to type in the number. Now my number is already typed in, so I'll just click on continue, and Facebook is going to send me a code to my WhatsApp business app. So I'm not going to continue because this is for demonstration purposes. So that's it, guys. We have to go back to the page to finish the settings. So the final thing you want to do is to add a button. So So come here, we'll add a button to the page. Depending on your kind of business, you can choose to keep it as follow, you can choose to call now, you can choose to contact us, you can choose to use send WhatsApp message, you can choose to use send email. But the one I advise for small business owners is to leave it as send WhatsApp message, or leave it as contact us if you have a working website, a functional website. Leave it at either contact us, or if you prefer a call, just if you like to receive calls, leave it at call now. So for this video, I'll just leave it at send. Let's leave it at call now. Now Facebook asks you to put your number, so I'll just come here, I'll search for Nigeria, type in my number, click on save. So when you are done, you can come here. You notice that Facebook is telling you set your page up for success, that there are 13 steps that you have not done. So make sure you come here, provide phone number, you link your WhatsApp. Please make sure you look at everything here and make sure you've completed them. So now let's go to the final part of this video, which is how to get your first 1000 likes. Now the first way to do that is to invite your friends. You can come here, see all your friends, come here, select all your friends, select the people you want to invite. You select up to 1000 people if you can, and send them invites to like your page. This is very slow and people might not want to like your page. So one of the fastest way to get page likes is to use Facebook ads. That's it. Facebook ads will give you fast results, and when you select the campaign objective to engagement, and under that engagement you select page likes. Don't worry about this. When we get into the different kind of ads objectives, I will show you how to run a campaign for page likes. So if you watched this video to this point, thank you so much for sticking by, and please subscribe to the channel so that you get the next video of this series, Beginner's Guide on how to run a profitable Facebook ads. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.